Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today this video is just gonna be a quick tutorial on flexi rods. Why did I say that? Wand curls. And then to keep them, you can flexi rod it at night. Anywhere from honestly 2 to 6 flexi rods, depending on how long your hair is, how full it is. I've done as little as 2 for this wig for flexi rods. So we're gonna get right into this video, guys. Yeah. So this part is just me taking off my wig, shampoo it. I don't show the part, but I shampooed my hair and I redid the first 2 braids. And then I re-sewed my wig on. Normally I do a elastic band, but I just wanted hair to stay on my head, so I decided to sew it down. Okay, so my hair has already been combed out. This is actually a day-old flexi rods plus being in a ponytail. I have not done anything to this hair all week actually, but we're gonna get started. So my products are going to be hairspray. This is usually the brand I use. I've used that since hair school. And then these two, which I use anytime I use heat. And I'm going to be using a wand curl. Now, the wand curl I got, you can change the barrel. I normally use this one because I like a tapered end. But I'm going to try these today. So this thing you can take on and off. I have... The other ones are in there and it's too much to get them, but it's like a bigger one that's tapered, and then I'll try to insert a picture or something. I'm going to start with the serum and Olaplex oil. Olaplex is very loose. I'll just put it everywhere. Yes, I put Olaplex on my hair extensions, even though it's clearly for your real hair and it's very expensive. I put Olaplex on my hair extensions, especially if I'm doing a chemical service, like coloring my hair extensions. I put Olaplex on. Okay, so I got my hair parted in half, and for the curls on this side, which is my left, the position of my hand will be like this. Or the position of the barrel will be like this. Guessing someone else is here on this Sunday evening, being loud. I don't know what they're doing. My door is shut. And then on this side, which is my right side, the barrel goes like this. So you're just gonna take a piece. You can either spray the whole hair, or you can spray the piece as you go. I do not have a comb, that's why I'm using my hands. Why didn't I grab a comb? Who knows? So I have my barrel going this way, and I am going to wrap it around this way. Someone else's head, I usually scrunch it just to hold the curl before it falls. It helps hold the curl in place. So that's all I'm gonna do on this whole side. So I have one half done. I'm just gonna leave them alone. I'm gonna do the other side. And as always, you have to flatten your closure frontal, whatever you're using. I did not mention this, but I will. Well, you would have already seen it, but how I sew this wig on is literally how I sew on all my wigs. Actually, this stuff stinks. But I've been using this since hair school. Ugh. And it's actually not as strong as their other one. So normally I only sew my wig on, I feel like this is unnatural for me. This position. But I know I've done wand curls before. Anyways, I usually only sew right here on these front braids, but for some reason this wig was too heavy, which it should not be because it's only 2 bundles. And all my other wigs are 3 to 4, so I have no idea why it was too heavy, but I had to sew the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this side. You never want to touch your curls or like mess with them until they've cooled, because if you mess with them before they cool down, you're gonna get a totally different shape. So I had a really hard time doing this side, and one's not my dominant side. Like the hand that I use to wrap is not my dominant hand. And I noticed, I think I've only ever done flexi rods. Why do I keep saying that? Wand curls on a wig head and then put the wig on my head. So first of all, this is literally my 10th time recording this because I keep saying flexi rods instead of wand curls. But this is my dominant side. I am right-handed, but for some reason I do a lot of things with my left hand that normally a right-handed person would not do. So normally when I do wand curls, I hold the tool with my right hand and wrap with my left. Okay, so first of all, I'm burning the crap out of my hand. So you have to be very careful when using these. It's extremely hot. I don't know what temperature this goes up to, but there's no settings. That's the only thing I don't like about this. Does not have any settings, but I only really use this on weaves, so I don't really care. But another way you can do, if that way is uncomfortable for you, is just wrap the opposite way. And when I say the opposite way, I mean when you hold it this way, you wrap going away from the face. But if you want to do this side and you still want to hold it this way, then you wrap going the opposite way. And for some reason, it is hard for me to pay attention to what I'm doing looking in the phone as opposed to looking in the mirror. So it's still going the way you want it to go. The curl is still away from the face, the position of the curl, but you just wrapped going the opposite way. I hope that makes sense. I can't remember if I already said this. It does, all wand curls come with a glove, but that thing is so thick, nobody wants to use it. I think I got every piece. Let me double check. And you'll see me adjust my wig later on in this clip because it has been like a week since I sewed it down. It has definitely shifted so it's a little bit further back than normal. Okay, so again, I can't look close into that thing. Don't know why. And there's a couple of ways you can comb out your curls. Why did I grab a small comb? Whatever way you choose, you want to be gentle. You don't want to create frizz, unless you do. If they're smaller, bigger curls, then I do want to create frizz. So then I do kind of not care. I mean, I like big hair in general. So it just depends on the look you're going for, how you want to comb them out. I cannot see, like, closely what this looks like. First of all, let's talk about, well, I said this in my vlog video. If you have not seen my vlogs, I did Vlogmas last year, and I made this wig on one of the days. Vlogmas day 19, actually, is my birthday wig. I only used 2 bundles, because I was just like, I had made a wig, and I only did 2 bundles, and I was like, you know, 2 bundles ain't that bad. I'd be being dramatic, wanting 3-4 bundles, but I need 3-4 bundles. Like, this ain't giving me no body like I want. Why do I keep spraying this? Because I don't want to breathe. Oh, I gotta sneeze now because of that. Pause. And that is it. That is how we do wand curls, to give you like a wavy look. Now, there's different ways that you can do wand curl. You can alternate the way that the position of the curls, like going back and forward. That'll give you a different look. The smaller the sections, you know, that'll give you a different look. But yeah, this is normally, this is how my flexi rods look after they have calmed down. So I normally wear my hair wavy like this. Somebody is here making noises, and I low-key don't want to leave my room. I just added a little blingage. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Check out all of I almost made it. You know, we're gonna get it together without any mistakes in 2021. Make sure to check out my other videos and share them with at least 2 people. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts, comment other things you want to see. And that's it. Thank you for watching. TTYL.